What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and to another video. I'm getting ready because I'm gonna go to the garage and I'm gonna show you my latest install. Thank you so much, Kies Motorsports, for sending over this next part, but I'm excited for this. Guys, stay tuned. And also, just a heads up, I'm doing something new with my reels, or actually YouTube shorts. Yeah, not reels. On my YouTube shorts, I'm gonna be updating or just recording all your questions, all the comments into a small short video on my YouTube channel. So go check out the shorts channel, because in there, or the playlist, I want to say, because in there I will be answering all your comments and all your questions. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, guys, so welcome. Originally I wanted to install the carbon fiber mirror caps, but I'm missing a tool. Apparently it's a T9. Come on, BMW, really? Not a T10, but a T9? I have a T10, I have plenty of T10s, but apparently they wanted to make it a little bit complicated for us. So instead of that video, I'm gonna show you guys the next install, which is the Daler anti-throttle commander for the G series. So let's see what's in the box. All right, so we got this, couple of plastic stuff. All right, so we have a couple of things here. I'm gonna break it down for you. All right, so we got some stickies, some zip ties. We have the actual remote. Oh, this is so cool. It's very little. Look at that. It's so cute and little. Yeah, so we have that. And we got, this is the, I believe this is the actual module. So yeah, this is the module. And we have some cables. So for this install, let me show you the tools that you will need. So for this, you will need a 10mm. You will need a T30, a flathead, and maybe a pick tool if you need it. All that will be in the description below. So let's get to the install. All right, so joining me is the one and only Ajo the Westie. Yep. You ready for the install? Yeah, me too. I'm gonna be recording very close up down there because it's a very awkward situation here. And I took out the carpet. Yeah, make sure you clean it before you do the install. It's kind of gross down there. Anyways, carpet down here for my knees, and I'm gonna be over there working on this. So let's get to it. All right, so I think what was taking me the longest is getting my camera situated, because it's a very awkward angle just to be here with my camera. So the camera's actually sitting on my seat. Anyways, not like that's anything important to you. Anywho, let's get started. So what I'm gonna do now is remove this little circle here. It covers up the T30. Hopefully you can see it. All right, so hopefully everything is in focus so you can see what I'm doing. So I'm gonna use a T30. I'm gonna get down here and take it out. There you go. Put that aside. And then I'm gonna try to take this off. So it looks like it's a clip on the back of this that just slides in. It goes up downward, so you're gonna slide up and it comes off, right? And after it comes off, there's a clip on top that you have to remove. Hopefully you guys can see it. And you just take it off. There you go. So once that's off, there's a clip on top right here. Hopefully you guys can see it. All right, so there's a clip up here. On some newer models, I mean, this is a 2023. Sometimes it may be up here, but for mine, it was right here. So yeah, I'm gonna put this aside and then get to work over here. Hopefully you can see over here, there's that metal clip I was telling you about. It just slides in words like that, and that's how the pedal comes off. So now that we have that, we're gonna attach the connections. There's only one connection that it goes to. But before we do that, we're gonna go down here and remove two clips that are right here. All right, guys, so we're gonna be using a 5/16 socket to get these two bolts on each side to get this panel down. That way you could get in there and plug in the module. So let's go ahead and do that. Get yourself an impact tool, yeah? Make the world a better place. All right, so these are the two bolts that are holding up that plate on top right here. So let's go ahead and remove that. Awesome. And the only thing that's holding it all together is these two little clips that's holding on, I believe it's a speaker and a light. So let's go ahead and remove that. That one's off. And the one on top is gone. Let's go ahead and get that removed. Go. Get that out of the way. So the next thing you want to do now is do the install, right? So let's get the tools that we need. Let's get the module. So what we're gonna do is run the cables through the carpet. Make sure your cable is ran through the carpet and then you plug it in. I did it the opposite way because I forgot to plug it in. I forgot to run it through the carpet and then plug it in. So I wanna make sure everything looks nice and neat. One thing I am gonna do is move the cables more to this side, just because I don't want there to be anything blocking the pedal, if that makes sense. Boom. There you go. Pedal could sit right here, clipped on. You clip this on there. This is for the module. Okay. All right, so here's the module. All you're gonna do is connect it, right? Just like that. It only goes in one way. Boom. And then the next one of these is for this one, right? So you're gonna get that one connected. All right, it only goes in one way. I believe it's this one. Or is it this one? It's this one. Yep, there you go. Now it's connected. So now we have the module plugged in. We're gonna plug in our pedal. So let's get our pedal back. It'll slide in right here. Right. Let's see. It goes in like that. So let's go ahead and plug it in. Just like that. I plugged in our new one. It goes right there. Hopefully you can see it. The new one just clips onto the original spot. And there's a little plastic piece right here that this just clips onto the back wall of the carpet. I'm gonna make sure it slides like that. There you go. Make sure it's lined up to your T30. And there you go. We're gonna just bolt that back on. Wait, I have a compact tool. What am I doing? We're gonna drill it back in. All right, so all we have to do now is get this dailer module in there nice and tight. So they did supply some zip ties for you. What I've seen some videos of people actually just shoving it in there nice and snug. So there's a spot up here. Let's see if I can show you. You probably won't be able to see it because of the camera angle, but there's a spot right up here that you can shove it in and it'll be nice and snug. So let's go ahead and do that. Ooh, good. All right, so let's go ahead and now install the plate. Just put the cables back on. Everything's all plugged in, as it should be. There you go. Bam. Well, and there you have it, guys. It's all installed. It's back to normal. The pedal's good. It looks like it didn't even nothing happened. So let's go ahead and connect the car. All right, guys, so we got it installed and you can't even tell that it's here. It was a pretty tight cram install just because it's a tight space and getting in there with my camera and lighting and all that stuff. Anyways, so what we're gonna do is sync it up and tell dealer where the remote is at. So for that, put the car into accessory mode. And once you're there, let the car boot up. Make sure it's not on. Sorry, that's my dash cam. All right, so once that's on, you're gonna fire up the dealer remote. It's on. It's gonna try to find a source. You're gonna hold the throttle for 2 seconds. And that's it. Now you gotta find a spot to mount this thing, right? I don't know where I'm gonna put it, honestly. I mean, I have some space here. I don't want it very obvious, so I may just have it like hanging around over here somewhere, or maybe on the side panel over here. But yeah, the next part is just to find a good place to put it. That way you can just easily access it without it like disturbing you. The G80 M4 is not that great with space, so yeah, I'm gonna have some fun trying to figure out where to put this thing. All right guys, so that's it for the install. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am so glad to have this now in my car to protect it, control the throttle when I give it a valet, and other really cool features that I'm gonna break down for you in another video. So stay tuned for that. But guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Kies Motorsports, thank you so much for sending it over. And guys, I have more videos coming soon, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. I have F30 content and now G80 content. So guys, again, grateful for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.